She's 16, 1024. It's going to be on 29 near KFC with Arkansas 780ZTI. 780ZTI. It's going to be displayed on a Grand Marquis. It's going to come back to a Chevy Sonic.
Was we home either?
10-4.
No.
This is Loretta. Hey, you doing alright? Trooper Colvin, Arkansas State Police. The reason I'm stopping you, man, these tags don't come back to this car.
I just got another tag. I just purchased this vehicle a couple days ago. I got the tag to go to this car. I didn't put it on here yet.
So why is this one on there?
It's a paper tag. They put it on here whenever I bought it from the
This ain't a paper tag. This is a real tag.
The tag is on here. I bought it. When I bought the car, they gave it to me for a temporary thing until I got my paper tag. In the car lot.
Yeah. So whose tag is this?
I don't know. I have the paper tag for this car right now. When I got this from the dealership, he took off one of his other vehicles and said you could use this because it didn't have no tag on here at all. I said, how am I going to get to where I need to?
So when did you get the paper tag?
I just got it.
Like same day?
No. I literally just got it.
When did you buy it?
I bought this car maybe like 3 or 4 days ago. I'm calling it dealership. They tell you that tag came off one of his other vehicles.
So where did you buy it?
In Little Rock, Arkansas.
That don't sound like something that's normally done, man. Running a tag. Like, now I have seen, say if I buy a car and say if I trade in my car and I bring my tag up there, I can put my new tag on there. I've seen that, but I hadn't just seen a tag on there because that doesn't return to this car.
Yeah, no.
Turns to a different one.
But see, the thing is, when I bought this vehicle, I told him he didn't have no tag on it. So I said, how am I going to get to where I need to be until I get my paper tag?
You're good for 60 days to run without any tags.
I didn't know that.
Mm-hmm. You have 60 days as long as we have a sheet of paper showing when you bought it. You have 60 days.
I didn't know that. This is my first time buying a vehicle. I financed a vehicle before, but I just got that tag. I just got my car stuck out of the mud. So I literally just got this car out the mud. Mm-hmm. I'm finna go put the tag on there. I hadn't had a chance to sit down and
Go ahead and, what is this? Do you have insurance on it?
No, I don't.
Okay, you gotta put insurance on it before you start driving down the road. And your driver's license. Hey, would you step out for me, Mr. Washington?
What's going on?
Just step out for me.
What?
I'm not going to ask more than once. Get out.
G10, go ahead. G10, is it on foot?
He's in the vehicle, south on Hazel. South on Hazel, going about 90.
It's going to be a Mercury. It's going to be a Mercury Grand Marquis.
He's passed the cars opposite way, south on Hazel. What's your Pearl Street? Avenue C, coming up the red light on 3rd. Just off the track. Went through the stop sign at 2nd.
Hey, what color is that Mercury?
And Grand Mercury, Grand Marquis. Alright, Hazel. Hazel on South Laurel, still south, speed's about 70. We just turned west on East 9th. Still west on East 9th, just went back north on Main. That's 3rd and Hazel.
Tried a TDI and it didn't work.
1040.
He's coming up the 3rd. We're on 67 going south. We just turned on Elm Street, north on Elm.
1040 north on Elm. 1040.
Through the tracks on 2nd, coming up to Hervey. North, we're going north on Hervey.
TVI unsuccessful.
10-4, successful TVI. West on Avenue B.
TVI was not successful.
Not successful.
West on Avenue B, speed 75, 80.
See if somebody can get up ahead because he's dodging my TVIs.
Speeds are 100 on West Avenue B. Crosses Holland Street now. Come on, be behind you, coming up, please. Simple. Still on Avenue B, Amanda, cross. Just cross over I-30 on Avenue B. Melrose Lane. Yeah, just went through Melrose. We're westbound on 2. Alright, I'm on 67. I'm looking. The next road he can get off at is 353 there, Guernsey. Denver. Let's try to see the island that's on the country road if we can.
I'm trying to get up to. He's in the middle of the road blocking me getting around him. Speed's about 80. When I get to a straight stretch, I'm going to try again.
Oh, there's large odor of marijuana coming from the car. He's about 100 still, west on through.
He wrecked out in the curve. Hempstead 1002 is our call. Hey, hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Come this way! Hands behind your back.
Fucking pulled over. Dumbass. Could have fucking killed somebody.
I'm paying. Yeah, I bet you are.
G16.
We're taking him into custody.
Was mine?
Yeah.
You get that?
Yeah.
You get that?
Stand up.
They're we're on the phone with them.
Just advising this vehicle's off the roadway. It's standing on its front bumper.
Wrong place for kitty party.
Stupid. You could have just killed somebody. Oh, me, you, and everybody else is just passed. I don't care. I told you to get out.
You can clear the net.
Go ahead.
You can clear the net.
10-4, I mean it's 10-64.
So, bud.
Felony flee for sure.
Damn, unit smoking.
Oh, yeah.
As far as we can tell, not. Hey, he was the only one in there, Liz.
I don't know. He said he was on.
You fucking in handcuffs because you're not a good guy. Get your ass in the car. All right. God bless you. God bless you. That's the only fucking thing to say you can do.
Hey, kill your camera and restart it.
Yeah, I'm about to do his toe sheet real quick.
I ain't got to, I ain't mess with